can make social media ads just like this for your business or your product using this new pack from Filmstock.
Hello everyone, if you don't know who we are Chris and Christina, and together with Filmstock, we're here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator. Before we jump into today's video, make sure and hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future uploads that will help you make better videos.
So there's no doubt the new way of advertising these days is through social media. Literally everyone's on platforms in some way or other, and it's a great way to get your business or your products out there so that people can see them. There is many different ways you can do this, and this new pack from Filmstock allows you to create ads in a very unique way that will stand out on social media.
So this social media ads pack, made specifically for creating ads for social media, you can download from the Filmstock's website. You can also click the link in the description and that will take you straight there. Remember that you will also need to download Filmora 10, so if you haven't done so already, click the link in the description for that too.
In the titles section, there are a number of different titles that you can use for an intro screen like this. There's also smaller little titles that you could use to display prices for your products like this.
In the transitions section, there are fun and colourful transitions that will help you transition between clips. In the effects section, you can use these overlays to give your ad a little something fun and unique.
In the elements section, there are also these little graphics which you can add to your footage. When you put all these different effects together, you can make a very appealing, eye-catching social media ad.
So let's show you how to make a great social media ad using just this pack. So this would be a great social media ad if I owned a sporting goods store or an online website that sold sports clothing or equipment. And this entire ad was made just using the social media ads pack from Filmstock. So it's as easy as that.
So if you have a business or you sell your own products, then go ahead and try creating some social media ads for yourself. If you want to try out the social media ads pack, then you can download it from the link in the description.
So give it a go, keep creating, and we will see you in the next one. Click the link in this.
These little titles to display products for your products like this.
Products for your products.